Myself Rajshekhar. Welcome to Raj Technologies. We are starting a new live online batch on full stack Java with artificial intelligence. From absolute beginner to job ready full stack developer with the power of AI built right in. This batch starts from 22nd July at 6 p.m. IST and it is complete live online instructor-led. Why full stack Java plus AI? Java still runs the enterprise world. AI is now how developers build faster together. They make you unstoppable in the job market. So this Java is enterprise backbone. Many of the projects like banking, e-commerce and enterprise systems worldwide demand never stops. AI native workflow. Learn to code with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini and more. The way top developers work in 2026. And this course comes with true full stack, that is front-end, back-end, database, DevOps tools and real-time Java tools and comes with frameworks. One program, complete skill set. And this course is job ready project. Finish with a real deployed project for your portfolio and interviews. What you are going to learn in this course is we have divided this course in 8 modules. One complete journey from fundamentals to a live deployed full stack project. And the 8 modules are, we start with core Java, module 2 goes with AI tools, module 3 web technologies, module 4 database concepts using MySQL, module 5 advanced Java, that is Java EE Enterprise Edition, module 6 goes with frameworks, where we are going to discuss about Hibernate framework, Spring framework, Spring Boot and Microservices. Module 7 real-time and DevOps tools. Module 8 we go with a project. In module 1 core Java, we are going to discuss the fundamentals and setup, like we'll understand about JDK, JVM and how to download Java and how to set up this Eclipse, how to develop applications using Eclipse IDE. We'll understand the basic concepts like variables, data types, operators. We discuss about scanner class to accept user input. We go with loops, conditional statements and arrays. We go with OOP concepts like the meaning of classes, objects, constructors. We discuss about static keyword, packages, inheritance and polymorphism. We discuss about abstraction, encapsulation and interfaces. And one more very important one, under core Java, exceptions and multithreading. We'll understand how to go with exception handling using try and catch block, how to create user defined exceptions, that is custom exceptions. We go with the need of going with multithreading and the need of synchronization and what is this thread lifecycle, and very important concept under core Java, collections and Java 8 version features like array. We discuss about collections like array list, hash map, tree set, and we discuss Java 8 plus version features like lambda expressions, stream API. We even go with IO concept like file IO and serialization. In module 2, very important module of this course, that is artificial intelligence tools. Use AI as your co-pilot throughout your entire development career, including prompt engineering. In this module 2, we are going to learn the top 5 most AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, NotebookLM and Perplexity AI. Here we are going to understand about prompt engineering, AI assisted coding and debugging, AI code review. The next module, we go with module 3 web technologies, where we discuss about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Bootstrap for responsive components. We learn Angular from Google and we are going to learn even React from Facebook. And we understand about the basic idea on XML and JSON, that is mainly for data exchange formats. And module 4, database concepts using MySQL. Here we'll be understanding how to install and configure MySQL server on our operating system. We'll be learning the commands like DDL, DML, DQL and TCL commands. We understand about the constants like primary key, foreign key, unique and check. We go with the SQL joins like inner join, left inner join, right inner join and full joins. We understand how to filter the data and how to sort and group using select command. And even we'll be learning how to connect to this MySQL database from our Java application using JDBC. That connection we do in module 5, that is advanced Java, Java EE. This module 5 is mainly connect Java to the web. Build server-side applications that power real products. In this module, we'll be learning about JDBC. In this JDBC, we'll connecting Java to databases, in our case MySQL. We'll understand about statement interface and prepare statement interface. We even learn about servlets, like what is the meaning of Java EE components, the servlet lifecycle, how to develop a servlet in Eclipse using Apache Tomcat server, and even we'll learn how to read form data, and even we are going to create a login application where we are going to accept username and password from user. We are going to register the user also in this login application. We even going to learn JSP, that is Java Server Pages, used to develop dynamic web applications. In this JSP, we'll understand about JSP lifecycle and the implicit objects present in JSP, the directives and scripting elements present in JSP, and by using JSP, we can build dynamic pages. Very important module of this course, frameworks. In this, we are going to learn the frameworks like Hibernate, Spring and Spring Boot, and Microservices. In Hibernate, we'll understand about ORM, the need of going with ORM, the architecture, and we'll introduce about Hibernate, and we develop all card operations using Hibernate. We even learn Hibernate query language. And even we are going to learn how to make use of Hibernate annotations in our Hibernate project. We go with the next and very important one, Spring and Spring Boot. Here we'll understand the core concepts of Spring like dependency injection and inversion of control. We'll be going with the Spring modules like Spring Core module. Then we introduce about Spring Boot, Spring Starters. We develop Spring applications, Spring Boot applications in STS, and we even develop Spring Boot applications using Spring Initializer. We'll understand the modules like Spring Data JDBC module, Spring Data JPA module, Spring Web MVC module, Spring REST module, Spring Security module. And the very important part, that is Spring AI, that is we are going to communicate with generative AI using Spring AI module. The next one, microservices. In this, we'll understand the difference between monolithic application and microservice application. We are going to develop this microservices using Netflix Eureka server, and we'll understand the terms like API gateway and service registry. The next module, we go with the real-time and DevOps tools like Maven tool, GitHub, JUnit, Docker, Lombok, Postman, and Log4j. And in 8th module, we go with the final full stack Java project. Design, develop, and deploy a complete application. And this project is developed using Spring Boot microservices as backend. And we go with Angular or React as frontend, using every tool and AI workflow from the program. This is the project you can carry into your interviews and your portfolio. Who should join? The prerequisites to join this course: a basic idea on computers is enough. Programming knowledge is optional, as we are going to start from scratch. So no prior programming experience needed. So who can join this course? Students and freshers. working professionals, career switchers, and curious learners. About the batch details, we are going to start this batch from 22nd July and the timing is 6 p.m. IST and the mode of our session is live online sessions and the format is Instructor-Led. And the people who are joining this course, we are going to provide the notes, source codes and recordings. It is lifetime access. For more details about this batch, please contact us to our WhatsApp number +91 93904 73579 or email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. More details you can find from our website rajtechnologies.com. Thank you.